Hey, what's up YouTube? How you guys doing? So today I'm gonna be unboxing a little gift that American Key Supply sent me. That's AmericanKeySupply.com. You guys check them out. Okay, that's where I get all my remotes, all my keys, all my wired, all my wireless remotes. So give them a look. I'll put the link in the description below. Okay, you guys. So let's see what they sent me. Okay, they sent me a cool little lanyard to put my keys and stuff. As you can see, American Key Supply. Really cool. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. They sent me snacks. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna eat these later. Really sweet. Guys, I really don't know what these are, but I will find out later. There's like a little piece of adhesive and it spins. Really cool. Find out later what those are. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, nice. Nice. Look at this, you guys. Man. Thermal. For my ice cold drinks or coffee. Nice. This is so cool, you guys. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you note. Okay. Read this in a little bit. What else is in here? Oh, nice. Thank you guys. Another little pad to put my pins on there. For little screws. Stickers. So cool. I'm gonna put these all over my shop. Thank you guys so much. More stickers. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much. I believe these are some poker cards. Nice. Here's some pens. Nice. Really cool, you guys. Really appreciate you guys. Oh, nice. To carry my lunch here. Sweet. I'm gonna be really representing you guys now. That's so cool, you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for this nice package. I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys. Okay, so it says, hello from all of us at American Key Supply. We recently received an email from one of our valued customers who sent us a link to your YouTube channel. It was really awesome watching your video on the VVDI key tool. I saw a few other videos that I'm going to go back and watch. I may even use a few of them to train our new customer service associates. The content in your videos is accurate, clear, and easy to understand. I appreciate the commitment you make to our industry. Supporting each other with trading videos like yours is admirable. I wanted to take the time to send you some treats and goodies as a token of our gratitude for the support and knowledge you provide to others. I hope they give you extra energy for your videos. Thank you for being a wonderful and loyal customer. Have a wonderful day. Best regards, Yolanda Reyes. Thank you so much, Yolanda Reyes. Thank you so much. You know, the reason I do these videos is because I also learned a lot of information from the YouTube videos, and I just want to show my appreciation to the YouTube community and make videos so that you guys can learn. So that's the purpose of this. It's just giving back and telling you guys thank you, because I learned so much from all the other users on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. We're almost gonna hit that 200 subscriber mark, you guys. And don't forget to go to the to leave a number 1 through 200 for this cool shirt. Okay. As soon as we hit those 200 subscriber marks, we're gonna give away this free shirt. It's 3XL. Okay. So don't forget to leave a number. Guess 1 through 200. You can guess once. Okay. So thank you guys so much. That's it for right now. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. I'm about to clean up a little bit. It's a little messy. So next time, you guys take care. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys next time, okay?